So today we are gonna talk about why trading sucks for you and why you feel it trading. We're gonna start off with binary options and then we are gonna go to Forex. So starting off with binary options, most people are fond of going on the internet and searching for trading patterns and then trying to implement them in the past 5 minutes. If they do work on the demo, the guy goes on the real account, trades for like 2 days or let's say 5 hours that day, and then turns out the trading pattern is not working anymore. Well, let's discuss about binary options and how you get these trading patterns and how you implement them the right way to avoid sucking at binary options. So to start off, I have this trading pattern. This is called the ample binary, of course. So check out this, guys. So I share it and this guy goes to the internet and downloads it and then comes back here and sees some winning trades. So he starts off like, wow, this is some winning trades over here. Well, I could just go on to real account and make some money. So he goes off to that one and starts off trading. Well, having watched one of the videos that the trading pattern was presented isn't enough to make you make the right decision when using this trading pattern. That's not enough, because you need to practice and you need to understand the errors that this particular trading pattern makes, and also you need to bind up with this trading pattern because it's not for everyone. Well, there's sometimes you'll get 3 trades within 5 minutes, and there are sometimes you stay for 30 minutes without getting even a single signal. So yeah, I think you need to understand most of the things that these trading patterns come with. There are risks posed with this trading pattern also, such as some losing trades that can be easily avoided and you've not learned that. So you just come in and get 2 trades and both are losing trades and you had placed maybe 50% of your account. So that's simply the answer to why you do suck in binary options. And also, the best question to pose for you right now is, why should you succeed in binary options? Have you done enough to succeed? Well, having failed in binary options is not a proof of done enough to succeed. Failure makes you learn, and if you haven't learned anything from that failure, you're not worthy of being a successful person. You're trading in binary options. You better off quit. So coming off to Forex now. Well, Forex is more of a patience game in trading other than binary options. Binary options can expire up to 60 seconds, while as Forex, it takes time. Well, you can place a trade and the spike may happen, you'll be in profit. You can place a trade and in a channel for a period of maybe a day, and you'll be making money the next day, not that current day. So Forex and binary options trading patterns are like kind of the same, because you just have to apply them the right way, learn about them and bind with them so that you make the right decisions. You have to know what the trading patterns is going to do even before it does. That's what it's called, being with your trading pattern, identifying with your trading pattern. You have to know where a signal will be shown the next few minutes, and with that you have a good trading pattern. So I'm gonna end it here for now, because this is a really informative video. It's not about trading. So for the next video, we'll have what do I do? Yeah, some of the tips. I'll just do some of the tips, 2 more tips, and then we'll get back to trading. Okay, have a good one.